guys, it's Pablo here, and I haven't showered. What's summer? So first of all, we have like a new addition. So I got these holsters for my GoPro. So this is the chest holster. Hang on. So this is how it looks, the chest holster for the GoPro, and then I also got a head one, and I'm pretty sure you guys know how that looks. But if you don't, I'll show you. Okay, so this little screw, you screw it on. So you get this. What? Oh my God. So you put it like that. Slide it in. And you make sure it's aligned. There you go. You get the screw. And then you screw it in. Takes a long time to screw this in. And just click it on. Okay, so I had to move to another location. This is my brother's room, and I just put it right there. So this is how it looks with the headgear, and I can like tilt it so it could be facing at me. Yeah, and then yeah. So I got a new laptop for my birthday. I've been wanting one for so long, and now I finally have it so I can edit and blah, blah, blah. My sister's coming on Friday. She'll help me. She's an editor, Tania Peregrino. And then another thing, which is the main reason of this video, is I want to give a quick little shout out. I was just going through the comments, seeing what people have said, and a guy named Ezo Gaming, really cool guy, he told me to give him a shout out, so shout out to Ezo Gaming. I checked out his channel, makes some pretty good stuff about soccer, and he's pretty cool. Go subscribe to him. Yeah, go support him, so shout out to Ezo Gaming. So, see ya.